all senseless tragedies. I wish you could
The snoring Vizsla.
always dark.
I was never to see her again. Nor was I ever to learn what became of her. We were different. Kids were different. It took us longer to understand the things we felt. Life is made up of small comings and goings. And for everything we take with us,